To clean the print head of Canon G3430 printer, we have to connect this printer with our laptop, and I will write on Google G3430 driver, because I have to install the complete driver to start ink cleaning, ink flush process. I will click on drivers and I will install the exact driver. This is the driver, okay, MP driver. So I will download it, and then I will install it, let it complete. Okay, it's downloaded. I will install it, click on yes, and then let me complete the installation. We'll press next. Yes. Oh, it's asking me to the USB. Yeah, this is USB. We'll press next. It's installing. So we have to install the complete driver to get the maintenance utility from this Canon driver options. So let it complete. Then I will click on Windows R and write here control space printers. Then we'll press enter. It will appear me here the printers that I have installed already. So it's set as default printer. Press exit. It's asking me to restart. I will not restart it. Press OK. This is the printer. Right click on it and printing preferences, and then maintenance and preferences. Here is ink deep cleaning options. Click on deep cleaning option. This is actually ink flush process. Press start and then press OK. Okay, it's saying me do not use the printer until deep cleaning has been finished. Firmware update available, leave it. It's appear the messages here cleaning, and printer is started cleaning, and you can see the power light started flashing. So we have to wait. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes to complete the ink cleaning process, and this process was deep cleaning. This is a simple cleaning and this is deep cleaning. Deep cleaning will do actually ink flush. If you have missing colors or any nozzle is not working, this will unclog the nozzles. I have actually this printer, there was air in the pipe, so it will remove the air and flush the ink. We will wait until it will complete, and if you have any other question regarding any kind of printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.